for you, Vlogmas day 6. For me, this is actually still Vlogmas day 4 because I am not going to post the remainder of this vlog until the 6th. So I will catch up with y'all in this vlog on Vlogmas day 6. But I am home from work. I started me some coffee because your girl is tired. She tired and the day was long and hard. But I have got to get my house in order. It is in shambles. There is Christmas decorations everywhere, but nothing's organized and put where it needs to be. And I can't live like this any longer. So I'm gonna spend the rest of this evening, the rest of this Vlogmas day 4, getting my life together, getting my house together. I probably am gonna go shopping tomorrow after I pick Cole up from daycare and try to get in the Christmas spirit, because right now I want to cancel Christmas. I want to put all the decorations back in the attic, and I want to wait for next year because I'm tired. Work is hard, but I think we're having family come this way for Christmas, so I'm gonna get in the Christmas spirit at all costs. So this vlog is going to follow day 4, day 5, day 6. Day 5 has a video posted. Well, we'll have. It's hard talking about the future, but when you're in the past. Anyways, day 4 is up as I'm saying this because it is actually uploading. Day 5 will be up, but I will actually like vlog some of day 5, but the day 5 video will be up. It is ready. And then day 6, I will see you as well as we get our lives together and do some Christmas shopping, some finding maybe the stuff for the tree. If you hadn't been with us for the first few days of Vlogmas, my tree is done. It's not how I want it. It has not been for the last 2-3 years. And it's just because I could not figure out really what I wanted to do with it. So I've been putting it off, but I think I have the vision. And I said that I was going to decorate the tree throughout all of Vlogmas, throughout all of December. That way I have everything on it and know how I want it to look come next year, because I haven't found everything I want. So as I go to different stores, whatever I find I like, that's what I'm going to get and put on my tree. So yeah, let's get this vlog started. Technically Vlogmas day 5, and I posted a video today with a Shein haul, so if you have not seen that, you should definitely look at that. But I'm currently at Starbucks. I'm waiting to order. They told me to hold on, and there's literally nobody in line, so I'm not sure what I'm waiting for. And then I'm gonna run to Rose's Taco Tuesday. For the people that don't know, Taco Tuesday, you basically go to Rose's and get a 3 taco plate, beans and rice for $5.99. We go every Tuesday. I am actually not hungry. I ate on the way home because I didn't get to eat my lunch today, so I ate it on the way home. So I kind of just wanted some Starbucks, but I'm getting the tacos for Cole. And then I always save one for lunch for the next day. So I just would like my Starbucks drink though. Iced caramel macchiato grande with 3 extra pumps of vanilla. That'd be all.
Okay.
So I figured I should probably explain what's happening here. So we have 12 days of Christmas. Today we were supposed to wear tinsel, but real life, like, who has a shirt or something with tinsel on it unless you make it? And I was not in the mood for arts and crafts. So the children and I took tinsel and just put it in our hair so that we could be in the theme. And the teachers, if you dress in the theme, you get to wear jeans. So anything for jeans. But I did have a Christmas shirt on, and this is from Shein. I got it on the like clearance or whatever you want to call it with Shein last year when Christmas was over, because I was like, I don't have any really like cutesy Christmas shirts that I could wear, and I wanted something cheap because, or reasonable, because it's literally one time a year that we do this. And so I just needed some shirts that said something with Christmas, something festive, and this is festive. So yeah, we're waiting in a line for the tacos now. It is crazy how quickly it is getting dark now. Like, we were just at Starbucks and the sun was still up, and now we drove down the street 5 minutes and it's getting dark out. It's crazy. Hey guys, so it is it Wednesday? I don't even know, y'all. The days are blending. It's Wednesday. I am currently at my mom's house. I was supposed to go pick up Cole and run to Hobby Lobby and then to church, and I got called over here before I picked him up to fix her lights, and then she brought me in to come help her with her project, and I was like, somebody has to get the child. Like, it's almost 6 o'clock. So I'm ironing on this little decal thing or whatever. I don't even know what you call them, but anyways, for church tonight, because instead of Bible study, we're doing a celebration for the pastor's birthday, and it's his 55th, and the theme is like something with pit crew. I don't know. So my mom's coworker made her these little things, and I'm supposed to be currently ironing them on the shirts. So I don't think I'm getting to Hobby Lobby today. We'll see, because church starts at 7 and it's almost 6. And I need to eat before we go, because I don't typically get to eat when we do stuff like this, because I either end up helping with something or chasing my child. So anyways, this is the thing, and I've never done this before, so I had started ironing it, but like some of it looks like it's not laying down. Oh, I guess it is. Okay, it's working. It's working. I'm going to go over it one more time though, because I'm a little bit afraid that I didn't get it all done. But yeah, this is what we're wearing tonight, Pit Crew. I didn't have a shirt with this checkered theme, and so you could either do that or wear something with the theme, and this is what we came up with. So I still have to iron that one on my shirt. And yeah, like my mom pulled out her Joyful Mimi shirt. She pulled out her Joyful Mimi shirt that I got her last year. Those are like the cutest little shirts ever. My friend from high school actually made these. So that's what we're doing, and I don't know if I'm going to include any of the party in this vlog, because it's already going to go up super late. What I realized is my days are long during the week because I don't have time to do anything, because I literally wake up at like 4:30 most days, and I'm out the house by 6:45, 7 no later. I'm at work all day. I don't get home till like 6:30. The day is over, and I don't want to be vlogging all night trying to put up a video. So my weekday vlogs are kind of short and uneventful. And even if I do stuff, I'm too tired to film it and post it by that night. So I might have to start posting like the next day, but I don't want to get off. Like, I'm challenging myself to be able to do this, and I hate that I did not get a jump start like I had wanted to, but we're gonna make this work. We're gonna make it happen. Oh, and here's my Christmas shirt for today. It was white and winter snowflakes, and so this was the shirt I had today. I think tomorrow's Elvis blue, and then Friday it's either reindeer or elves. I think it's elves. But yeah, So I'm gonna end it here. I'll probably insert some clips from the party tonight. And yeah, I'll see y'all in Vlogmas Day, I guess 7, because this is going up tonight for Vlogmas Day 6. Perfect girl. Bye y'all.